Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. We're gonna get started by cooking your samp as per packet instructions. I did use the parboiled samp, so you can just follow the instructions on how to cook it. I like mine just a little bit on the chewy side instead of cooked through, so that is mine. After about 30 minutes then I'm going to drain it and set it aside. Now in your pan or pot, you're gonna go ahead to add your olive oil and go ahead to saute your onions and mixed bell peppers. You're gonna go ahead to saute for another 3 minutes. And you're going to season with some crushed garlic or garlic powder, some aromat, and also some curry powder. With the curry powder, it's absolutely optional. If you don't want the color of your samp to change, you can absolutely leave out the curry powder. Otherwise, if you don't want to use curry powder but you still want some color to your samp, you can always use turmeric. You want to go ahead and cook the spices for about 3 to 5 minutes. And once you've cooked out your spices, you can go ahead and add your samp a little at a time. Go ahead and thoroughly mix the samp and the bell peppers to flavor the samp, and you're gonna go ahead and close the pot or your pan just to let the samp absorb those flavors for about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat, because your samp is cooked at this point. You don't want it to burn. After about 5 minutes, go ahead and mix it up again. At this point, the samp is saturated with the flavors of the bell peppers and it's already looking so beautiful. For somebody who doesn't like wet food, you're more on the dry food kind of person, this would be the perfect time to dish up. To cream my samp, I'm going to add some coconut cream. Now with coconut, it's a thin line between, it's either you really love it or you really hate it. But for me, I'm kind of in between. You know, there are times where I like coconut flavors, there are times I don't, but it's in this instant I did. So if you've never tried coconut before, I suggest that you do try it and just see if you love it or you hate it. Otherwise, if you want to play it safe, you can always use just normal cooking cream, but just try it, man. You might like it, who knows. And then I'm just going to finish off with some little bit of salt. You can go ahead to taste your samp and see if you need a little bit of salt, honey. And then you're going to mix it all in. Make sure when you're working with cream, it's on low heat, because you don't want to it to rapidly bubble and it separates. So just use low heat until everything is combined for another 3 to 5 minutes. Everything is cooked and you can dish up, honey. and some garnish with some fresh parsley or coriander, and you are done. I hope you try the recipe because it's so good, especially if you're gonna have it with some stew or curry. Yeah, I hope you tried. Please show me some love in the comments, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.